Hi. Can you hear me well?
Hi, yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me too?
Yes, loud and clear. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I just finished work. How about you?
I'm good too. I was a little nervous before the call.
That's totally normal. Don't worry. We'll just have a simple, fun conversation. Okay, let's start with a self-introduction. Can you introduce yourself first?
Sure. My name is Bill. I live in Law.
Nice to meet you, Bill. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Great. What do you do? Are you a student, or do you work?
I am a college student. I study English and education. I'm an office worker. I work in an office in Seoul.
Oh, that's interesting. Why did you decide to study English?
I want to travel abroad and talk with many people in English. And I also want to watch movies and YouTube without subtitles.
That's a great reason. Your English is already good.
Thank you, but I still make a lot of mistakes.
It's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. Now, can you tell me about your daily routine? What is a typical day like for you?
Sure. On weekdays, I usually wake up at around 7 a.m.
Okay, pito a. Mem. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I check my phone, and then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. I usually have toast, eggs, and coffee.
Nice. That sounds good. Do you eat breakfast alone or with your family?
Usually, I eat with my family. We talk a little bit while eating.
That sounds lovely. What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I get ready to go out. If it's a work day or school day, I leave home around 8:30 a.m. On the way, I usually listen to music or a podcast. Sometimes I listen to English videos.
That's a good habit. How long does it take to get to work or school?
It takes about minutes.
What do you usually do during the day?
In the morning, I have classes. I study English, math, and other subjects. In the afternoon, I sometimes study at the library or go to a cafe. At work, I check emails, join meetings, and do my tasks on the computer. I usually have lunch with my coworkers around 12:30 p.m.
Do you feel busy during the day?
Yes, I'm quite busy, but I try to enjoy my day.
What about the evening? What do you usually do after you come home?
I usually get home around p.m. First, I take a rest and have dinner with my family. After dinner, I sometimes watch TV or YouTube. And I study English for about 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Wow, that's great. What do you usually do to study English?
I do shadowing with short videos. I repeat the sentences and record my voice. Sometimes I chat with AI in English.
That's a very good method. Do you study every day?
I try to study at least 3 times a week.
Nice. And what time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11:30 p.m. Before sleeping, I check my phone or read something.
Sounds like a full, productive day. Do you have any hobbies that you enjoy in your free time?
Yes, I like listening to music and watching dramas. Sometimes I go for a walk.
Oh, what kind of music do you like?
I like K-pop and soft pop songs. I also listen to relaxing music when I study.
Nice. Maybe next time, you can recommend some songs to me.
Sure, I'd love to.
Thank you for sharing your daily routine today. You did a great job speaking English.
Thank you for listening and helping me. I enjoyed this conversation.
Me, too. Let's talk again next time. Have a great day or evening.
You too. Bye.
Bye.